you guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new here. Today I'm going to do a video that I've never done before, but I do a lot of style try on hauls. So today we are trying on glasses. So I have had Warby Parker glasses. I have two of them for over the past like 6 years, and I really like them, but I feel like they don't fit my face. And I just wear them to go to bed. Okay, so I haven't gotten a new pair of glasses since then, and before that I had like glasses that I had since like high school. Okay, I don't wear my glasses day to day. I wear them just to go to bed because I am so blind. I know I need LASIK, but I'm so blind, but I wanted to find a pair of glasses that I really enjoy wearing to complete an outfit, or just that I wouldn't mind wearing day to day. So I've tried Warby Parker in the past. I've gone into their stores. I've done their virtual try-on at home, or like on the computer, but I wanted to try their at-home kit. And no, this isn't sponsored, sounds like it, but I'm just really excited to try it. So it's really cool. They send you glasses right to your door. I think I picked 5. I actually only picked 4 and they sent me a different pair, so let's try it on. So it comes with a little newspaper, so if you've been curious to try it out, I'm gonna walk you through how it goes. And yeah, so you get to try them actually at home and kind of see what you think about them, which is my biggest thing for me. I wanted to see what they looked like with different hair, makeup, no makeup, lounge clothes, dressy clothes, whatever. I wanted to try it. But the biggest thing is I wanted to try to find a pair that truly fits my face correctly. So let's dive in. So they've come just in the mail to your house in these little sealed box, or little bags within this box. And then it comes with a shipment label to send it back. It's completely free to try. You don't have to pay anything. It's completely free to try. They send it to your house, you send them back, and then you decide which ones you want to order. Even if you're like one of the pair that is in here, you don't keep it. You know what I mean? So that's why I wanted to try it, because I don't actually have an eye doctor's appointment until next week to get an updated prescription for glasses, but I wanted to try them in the meantime. So like I said, I got 5 different pair. I haven't tried them on, so I'm excited to share with you what I think about the glasses. So I'm gonna go through each style. I'm going to try them on for you and tell you my thoughts. So they come, like I said, in little bags. There's either like this sealed bag like this or a sealed bag like this. So let's go ahead and try on the first pair. It is the Tony, and this is the Cider Tortoise. So again, comes in a little sealed bag like this. I'm pretty excited. I wore like a blue shirt because I figured I wear blue a lot, or I was gonna do white, but I didn't just want glasses that looked good with white. I'm just so weird like this. I remember when I dyed my hair like strawberry red blonde streaks in my hair, I refused to wear green because I thought I looked like a Christmas tree. Anyways, these are a classic tortoise. Super cute. I want to say these are wide, which I don't know if I need wide, so we'll see how this goes. So my current glasses are very similar in this shape, where you see a lot of bottom and it cuts me like through the eye. So I don't love these. I want something that's a little bit less big. They're cute, don't get me wrong. I love this bold tortoise. I think it's adorable. But they're very similar to the shape that I currently have, which just shows a lot of cheek and not quite what I'm looking for. I feel like it kind of draws my face down. So yeah, I'm looking for something, I think, a little bit more shorter. But this is the first pair. Again, this is the Tony. I think if you have like maybe a more rounded face, then these will be cute. I just feel like since my face is very long, that these give me like too much, I don't know, not a win for me. So that's the first pair. Let's move on to the second pair. These are the Hartman Wide again, and this is the green pair. This is striped cypress. I talked about these in my fall wish list, and I decided to try them out. So these are the dark green. They're very similar to like black, but they're a subtle green. So pretty. Okay, you see what I mean by these? I like these. These hit me like, are they different? They're different, right? Yes, they're shorter, and I think because they have a square base, they cut me a little bit like, I don't know. I really like these. Are they too close to black though? Or can you see that they're green? I don't hate that they're super wide. I don't think they're too wide for me. These are really cute. I like these a lot. I think these are very fall, but they're very like trendy and cute, but I think they're a little bit smaller and more subtle than like those big ones that you see. I like these little details here. I like these a lot. Again, these are the Hartman wide. So those are a win so far. This is the Cullen wide, again, chestnut crystal fade. I'm pretty sure I did order these. Oh yeah, these are the two-toned ones that I thought were kind of cute. I really like the quality of Warby Parker glasses, and if you're not familiar, they're super affordable. I like these. Ooh, I like these. Okay. I feel like they still do draw my face down. Are these similar to these? Yeah. So these are the same like length as the other ones, but I feel like because it's clear here and because they are sharp at the bottom, whereas these are more rounded, they look cute. These are super similar to ones I already have. I have ones that are this like tan color, and then I have ones that are like clear that I wear to go to bed. I like these, but I feel like they might be a little bit too long. Again, they're really cute though. I feel like these really complement and blend in with my hair really well. Is that a reason to buy glasses? I don't know. All right, this next one, they actually like sent me this. I didn't pick this one, but I think you have to pick 4. They probably picked one based off of my other ones. This is the Sesame Tortoise. What if I absolutely love these? Wouldn't that be comical? These look a little bit wide. Yeah, these are too big. I like the thinness of them, but these are, just see what I mean? Like, it's all just like I don't need to see from my cheeks, you know? I need to see like through my eyes. I always find that so weird. All right, this next pair I'm really excited about. These are the Weathers, the Periwinkle Crystals. These are a blue periwinkle color, but are clear. Really pretty. Ooh! These are cute. Okay. You guys, I think I like the 2 smaller ones. So either the green or these. I like these a lot. They're much thinner. They're small. Like they fit like my eye, just my eye. Like you can see a little cheekage, but like they don't look too big on my face in my opinion. I'm gonna get the anti-glare because the glare drives me nuts. And it's so hard to show glasses on camera. I think these might be it. I don't know. I'm between these and these. Like I said, I feel like I need to try. Let's try a hair up situation. What do we think? These look cute with the hair up. They passed the hair up test. So cute. I feel like I just look so sophisticated. These are much more subtle and soft. These are fun. I think I like the green. Yeah, I just think these are too big on my face personally. Okay, between the green, which is this, what was that one again? Uh-oh, the Hartman or the Weather. I think those are my choices. You guys! Let me know, sound off in the comments down below. Maybe you liked a different pair than I did, but if there's any other like glasses places that do try-ons at home, let me know in the comments down below. But I was really impressed with this one. Again, like I said, it just comes like this. It's really cute. It's super easy. You just get to try them on at home and see from the comfort of your own home with whatever outfits you want to wear. You can kind of see what they look like. It's just like clothes. Glasses are so personal, and I think I rushed to get a pair of glasses when I was in the store last time. I like that they offer like at-home try-on kits. So I'm super excited. So I'm either gonna go with, I think I'm leaning the green. These are filthy. What did I get on them? My fingers. No. The other reason I never wear my glasses like out is because it's like sunny, so these are cute. So I'm like, well, what if it's sunny and I don't have prescription sunglasses? So maybe that's the next step. No, next step is LASIK, girl. Oh, I need y'all's comments. I really did this video so I could obviously review the Warby Parker try on at home kit, but I also wanted your opinion on which glasses I should get next. So I'm gonna go ahead and try them on for Scott when he gets home, and then I package them back up and put them in this little, or put the label on and send them on back. And yeah, once I get my updated prescription, I will choose the ones that I like. So I hope you guys found this video helpful. Like I said, I do a lot of try on hauls. I feel like glasses are no different. They're a part of your wardrobe. They're an accessory. So I really wanted to try them on and see what y'all think about them. But I am definitely leaning between the green pair and the blue pair. I love you guys so much. Thank y'all for watching, and I will see you in my next video really, really soon.